Hi everyone. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to apply fade in and fade out animations in Prezi. Prezi is a great alternative to Google Slides or any other web presentation you might use that you're not entirely satisfied with. Prezi has great templates to choose from, great animations. You can include images, videos, GIFs, everything that other web presentations offer, but the visual quality of your final presentation is fantastic. So when you first log in, you're going to see this home page. And here you're going to see your previous presentation history. They also provide you with an instructional video on how to use Prezi. And then anytime you're going to be creating a new presentation, you're going to click on this box over here that says New Presentation. So we'll click on that. And when you click on the new presentation, it's going to bring you to their list of templates, and you have multiple ones to choose from. And you can choose any template that you liked, but for the sake of this video, we're going to choose the first one. And anytime you choose a template, you have the option of exploring whether you like it or not. So down here on this arrow, you can go ahead and do a quick preview of the template, and it shows you how it's set up and everything like that. And once you determine which template you would like to use, then you click on Use this template. And anytime you choose a template, you have to title it. So you can choose to title it whatever you'd like. For this video, I'm just going to title it Example. And in order to start creating your presentation, right here to the right, you have two options of who can see your presentation. So if you are paying for Prezi, you can click on People I Share It With. If you are not paying for Prezi and you're just using a free account, then anyone on the web is the only option that you have. So once you click on that, then we're going to press on Continue. And this will take a couple minutes to load, so just hang on in there. All right, so here is the total overview of your entire presentation. And here to the left, you're able to see how many slides you have. So slide 1, slide 2, slide 3, and slide 4. And to begin adding animations, we're going to click on slide 1. And the great thing about Prezi is you have multiple slides within your main slide. So for instance, if we click on that, you are brought to the Continue slide, which also includes smaller slides. So now we'll go back just by clicking on these back arrows, and this will bring us back to the main slide. So to begin, anytime you're adding an animation, this blue square needs to pop up. In addition, you also need to click anywhere inside that box, so that way this blue curved line and that blue box is highlighted. And once that's there, you're going to go to the top to the taskbar and click on Animations. Here to the right, you're going to see this window. And anytime you're adding an animation, you need to click on this icon, and this window will pop down showing what animations you can include. So we're going to choose Fade In first, and that brief movement of it going back and coming back in just shows that the animation was applied. And so again, we're going to do that to the Stop subtopic. Again, make sure that box is highlighted as well as that curve is highlighted and it's showing. You'll go back over to the animation window, click on the blue icon, we'll choose Fade Out this time. And again, that brief missing and coming back again means that it's been applied. You can even see whether your animations have been applied here as well as up here. As you can see, it says 2. So with one more, we're going to click on the Start subtopic, curved line, blue box is highlighted. Come on over here to the animations window, click on the icon, and we're going to add Fade In. All right, so now once you have successfully added your animations, you're going to come over back to this overview here, click on it, and go back to the general overview of your presentation so that way we can see how it's been applied. So once you are back to this screen, we're going to come all the way over to present. And once you're in presentation mode, you can either use your mouse or your arrows to click through the presentation. Alright, so here we are at the main slide. As you can see, the continue slide is not there, and when I click, it fades in. The stop slide is showing, but as I click, it fades out, and the start slide fades in. And here that just shows that our animations have successfully been applied. So once you test that out, then you can press exit, go back to your overview, and you can continue to work on slides 2 and apply the same things to any slide that you wish. And that is how you successfully add fade in and fade out animations in Prezi.